Hi everyone, my name is Diana Marcela Ortega. In this opportunity, I talk about you the consonant sounds. I am a Bachelor of Foreign Language with emphasis in English for the course English Phonetics. Okay, this is a video tutorial about the consonant sounds. This is a didactic material for understand this topic. Okay, in this opportunity, I talk about the three sounds. The letter V, that sound is V. V. The sounds the letter W is W. W. And the sound the letter M is M. M. Okay, for the examples, the letter V, gloves, gloves. The letter W is wells, wells. And the last one letter is M, dreams, dreams. Okay. The last letter is voiced consonants. The voiced consonants is the letter that requires the use of the vocal cords to produce their signature sounds. But types use the braid, lips, teeth, and upper palate is your mouth. The further modify speech. For examples, I have a little pronunciation exercise for you. Come on. And the number one is Bob studies globes and maps. He is an intelligent boy. Bob, globes, boy. The second exercise practice. When I wish something with the heart, the life gives us this. Okay? When, wish, with. Okay? And the last one, exercise practice, is the letter M. M. Mary dreams with her mom because she misses her. Mary dreams, dreams, mom. Okay? I hope this video tutorial helped you understand this topic. Thank you for watching my video. Until next time, bye.